think buying a faster memory kit is the ultimate way to unlock your AMD Ryzen CPU's true gaming potential?
Yes. Yes, it is.
It isn't.
What?
And falling for that myth right now is going to cost you a staggering amount of money.
Figures. What was that?
Welcome back to the Upgrade Tech, and today we are exposing the massive price trap hiding inside AMD's latest performance breakthrough, along with a secret legal war that explains why PC hardware has gotten so completely out of hand.
Go ahead.
AMD promised their brand new EXPO ultra-low latency memory technology would give gamers a massive performance boost for the exact same price as standard RAM.
Hey, good. What's the problem?
The actual launch numbers tell a far more sinister story.
You don't say.
If you try to simply run higher clock DDR5 memory, your Ryzen processor's internal interconnect switches to a sluggish 1:2 ratio, completely destroying your performance unless you spend a fortune on unstable high-frequency kits.
Oh, hell no.
EXPO ULL fixes this by ruthlessly tuning the hidden subtimings instead of the raw clock speed, pushing an impressive 13% average FPS boost and a 15% spike to your 1% load.
Wait, that's a good thing, right?
But instead of the affordable pricing AMD swore we would see, G.SKILL's first premium UL kits just hit the market with an absolutely devastating 79% price hike.
Boom!
We are talking about basic kits shooting from $699 up to a brutal $1,099, turning what should have been a mainstream feature into an absolute luxury nightmare.
As if we didn't have enough problems.
While you digest those insane RAM prices, AMD is quietly working on a secret architectural weapon for Zen 6 that changes everything we know about desktop processors.
Tell me more about this.
Actually leaked Linux kernel patches just exposed that AMD is developing a mysterious third type of CPU core that is completely distinct from standard Zen 6 and dense Zen 6e cores.
What else?
Rumored to debut on the next-gen Medusa Point APUs, this low-power core layout features dedicated L2 and L3 caches designed specifically to ambush Intel's low-power efficiency cores by running background tasks on absolute microscopic levels of power. But why are memory prices so artificially broken in the first place?
Yes. Why?
A massive bombshell class action lawsuit was just slapped against Samsung, SK Hynix, and Micron, accusing the big three tech titans of illegally fixing prices. The lawsuit claims these giants intentionally used the recent AI boom as a coordinated smokescreen to strangle the production of standard gaming memory, choking supply to force desperate builders into paying historical premiums.
That's so bad.
The tech industry is actively rigging the game against your wallet, and staying blind to these corporate tactics will cost you thousands on your next build. Hit that subscribe button right now to join the Upgrade Tech. Arm yourself with the ultimate hardware advantage and beat the corporations at their own game.